Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to show or hide your date of birth on Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. At the bottom of your screen, tap on More. This will open up additional options and settings that aren't immediately visible on your main screen. Once you tap it, you'll see several menu items appear. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can control all the important configurations for your Viber account, including privacy, notifications, and account preferences. The Settings menu is your central hub for customizing how Viber works for you. Now tap on Privacy. This section is specifically designed to help you manage what information is visible to other users and what stays private. Privacy settings are crucial because they give you complete control over your personal information and who can see it. Here you can see an option labeled Share Your Birth Date. This toggle controls whether other Viber users can see your date of birth on your profile. It's a simple but important privacy feature that lets you decide how much personal information you want to share with your contacts. If you want to hide your birth date, simply tap on this option and it will become unchecked. Once it's unchecked, your date of birth will no longer be visible to anyone viewing your profile. This is useful if you prefer to keep this information private or if you don't want people knowing your exact birthday. Now, if you want to show it again, just tap it once more and it will become checked. When it's checked, your birth date will be visible on your profile to other Viber users. You can toggle this on and off whenever you want, giving you flexibility to change your privacy preferences at any time. And that's it. You've successfully customized your birth date visibility on Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.